Hi friends, you are watching educational channel. This is Microsoft Excel series. In this video, you will learn about modes of Excel. Are you familiar with Excel cell mode? There is 4 different Excel cell mode, and that is ready, enter, point, edit. Excel acts in a different way when I am in a certain dialog box. So for example, if I am in a data validation dialog box and I should like to move around with the keyboard keys in the dialog box, it automatically insert a cell reference in there. That's because I am in point mode in Excel, which is different to edit mode. So what type of modes do we have and how can we switch between these modes? Let's start to understand these modes. When you select a cell, you know this is active cell, and when we see bottom left corner of this Excel sheet, you see ready mode. This is default cell mode state for Excel, and it is also called normal state. If you not see this ready mode, you right click on this, you see pop-up menu appear at the top. There is ready mode. You can click here to check this option ready mode show in the bottom left corner. As you see selected cell, now you can move around this active cell through your keyboard keys. Now I want to enter a number in this active cell. You can see in the bottom left corner, Excel mode is changed from ready to enter mode. I only enter a number. I am not enter is equal to plus or minus sign. Excel knows that I am not inputting a formula. This is only just a number. So if you use keyboard arrow keys to move around, Excel give this permission. Now number is fixed in this cell if I press any arrow key. Now here I am doing simple calculation to understand the Excel modes. Select a cell and enter a number. When you select cell, this is ready mode. And when you enter a number, this is enter mode. Now again select next cell and enter a number, or use your arrow key to move down a cell and enter a number. Now I want sum of these two numbers. First select cell where you want sum. Now this time I enter is equal to sign. Excel behave differently. Excel knows that I am entering a formula. Now if I use arrow key, this time at the bottom corner point mode show. So Excel directly switch the enter mode into point mode. That things happen because I am trying to enter formula. Now even if you start with minus sign or a plus sign, it's going to act the same way. Now move up arrow key and select this cell and enter plus sign. You see in the bottom enter mode is active. Move up arrow to this cell and press enter. You see the result, and now ready mode is active again. Now you know the ready, enter and point mode and how Excel behave in this mode. Now go ahead to edit mode. I want to edit this number to this total. First you double click on E6 cell or press F2. When you press F2, you can see bottom left corner that edit mode is active. In edit mode, if you press keyboard arrow keys, you can move inside the cell. I want to add E2 cell number, which is 26. When I enter plus sign, you can see at the bottom left corner edit mode is still active. I'm only done through my keyboard. So press F2 here. When you press F2, you can see at the bottom left corner of this sheet enter mode is active. Now move up arrow. You can see enter mode switch to the point mode. Now go to the E2 cell and press enter. You see the result in E6 and ready mode is active again. Now you know the edit mode and you also know how to switch between the modes. The main problems occur when we using a dialog box. Even that is conditional formatting, data validation, name manager and chart range. When we select range for these dialog box, there is some problem. But don't worry, I will guide you. Go to the data tab and open a dialog box data validation. Now here you can see there is a list of names. We go here to list and press this import button and select all the range and press enter. You can see a range is selected, but in the bottom left corner you can see point mode is active because is equal to sign is enter. Excel know this, I am entering formula. So this range is from B7 to B14. I do not want last two names in our data validation list. So how can I edit this? First we go to the edit mode. Now select what happen if I move my arrow keys in a point mode. You can see that given us a cell reference, not editing this. I want editing, edit mode. So select this range again. Now this time I am press F2. You can see at the left bottom corner of the sheet edit mode is active. Now remove this and press again F2. You can see enter mode is active. As I press arrow key, that enter mode switch to the point mode. You can see this point mode is active. Now select a reference cell. I select a reference cell and press OK. Now I want to B7 to B12. Not these two names required. So press OK. You can see a data validation dialog box appear. You can see the names, a range of cells which I selected. So you can see the list of names that I select in data validation dialog box. Last two names are not here. So main purpose of this is to understand the mode, how we switch between the modes, enter to point mode, point to enter mode and edit mode. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.